Welcome to the video. Today's topic of discussion is teleportation technology. In science fiction movies, you have seen this idea. People are using this technology, means teleportation technology, to disappear at the source location and reappear at the destination. And it takes no time, means within no time, disappearing and reappearing are possible. And whatever be the distance between the source location and the destination, okay, whatever be the distance may be a few kilometers, it may be in terms of light years also. Okay, so distance doesn't matter in case of teleportation technology. Whatever you have seen in science fiction movies, same concept is used in science also, but till now, this technology has not become possible. Okay, scientists are making their efforts, means research is going on in this field, but still there is no progress. Yes, there is one progress, that is also teleportation, but that is not a teleportation of real objects. That is the teleportation of information, quantum information. The principle is known as quantum entanglement, and using that principle of quantum entanglement, quantum information can be transmitted across vast distances. In this case also, distance doesn't matter, whatever be the distance. But transmission of the quantum information is possible within no time. Means this happens instantaneously. Such as a spin state of a photon can be transmitted from one location to other, and successfully they have done, means researchers have or the scientists have done this experiment, and in that case the distance were in terms of kilometers, few hundred kilometers. Okay, but according to the theory, whatever be the distance doesn't matter at all. Even if the distance is in terms of light years, say 2 million light years, then also this is possible. Means transmission of quantum information from one location to another is possible within no time. So in case of quantum entanglement, whenever you are changing the state of one particle, say there are two particles which are entangled, okay, and now you change the state of one particle, immediately that affects, the change in state affects the other particle instantaneously. No time is required. This affects instantaneously. So something is happening there. The particles are entangled. Somehow they are linked. Though at present the scientists don't know actual reason behind this. What is the cause? How they are actually entangled? This is not known to the scientists. But this is known that this happens instantaneously. And they are entangled somehow. Maybe the reason is still unknown, but they are entangled. They are linked to each other. And that's why whenever you are measuring the state of one particle, or somehow you are changing the state of one particle, immediately that affects the other particle, whatever be the location of the other particle. So here what you can see that quantum information is being transmitted instantaneously. Same concept is being used in the field in case of real objects. But this is still conceptual. Okay. And what is the requirement? Requirement, say people are trying to teleport themselves across vast distances. So what is the requirement? First of all, if you are trying to teleporting yourself, then in that case you have to break down yourself into individual atoms. Myriads of atoms are there in your body. So first of all you have to break down your whole body into individual atoms. Then what is the requirement? Requirement is the transmission of astronomical amount of data to the destination. Whatever be the distance of the destination from your source location, But you need to transmit that astronomical amount of data, vast amount of data across that distance. And at the destination, you need to reassemble the information. You have to, what is the requirement at the destination? You have to reassemble the information, means using that transmitted information, you have to reassemble yourself. So this is the concept behind transporting objects, transporting real objects across distances, means across space, okay, across space within no time. Since time involvement is zero, that's why this is teleportation technology. Otherwise, space travel is possible, you know. By using vehicles, by using rockets, buses, aircraft, space travel is possible. But here the problem is space travel within no time. And that's why this is known as teleportation technology. Time involvement must be zero. Then only this can be said as teleportation technology. Otherwise, fast moving objects are available, you know this thing. Rockets are available, spacecraft are available. Okay, many things are available for faster movement from one location to another. But here in this video we are talking about only teleportation technology, where you cannot calculate the speed actually, because time involvement is zero. So if you want to use the formula of the calculation of speed, which is equal to what? Distance divided by time. And since time involvement is zero, therefore that will be infinite. Means speed will be infinity. Anyway, so requirement is what? 3 steps are there. First of all, you need to break down yourself into individual atoms, then transmission of astronomical or vast amount of data across the space, and then reassemble at the destination. But for this purpose, what is the requirement? The requirement is vast computational power is the requirement. That means quantum computing power, sheer quantum computing power is required, and a vast amount of energy is also required to make this process successful. But according to our current technology, this is far beyond our reach. Our current technology doesn't permit us to do such things. Anyway, advancements are there in the field of quantum computing, in the field of artificial intelligence, means advanced fields are there. And researches are going on in each and every field. And we can hope one day it may be possible for us to use teleportation technology for real objects. Means in that case, we could be able to teleport ourselves to our destination location. Okay, according to our will. But at present, there is no possibility. At present, there is no possibility. At present, the possibility, what we can see is about holographic communication, but not about teleportation technology. Years of research is required in this field. Okay, and you know, if you are in the field of science and technology, then you know that many things seemed impossible for scientists at one time. But later, we have already seen that things have become possible. Okay, so same way you can expect that in future this may become possible. This technology for real objects. Okay, so teleportation, this term is in use in the field of physics or in the field of science, but that teleportation actually is being used in case of transmission of quantum information, not for real objects. And here in this video we are talking about actually real objects, whether it is possible or not. Okay. Anyway, so I have discussed each and every aspect of this technology, and so many things are required. Means advancements in all the fields, in all the advanced fields of technology is required. Okay, then only we can expect to fulfill our dreams. Anyway, so this was all about today's video. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.